crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl. Yeah, welcome. This is your boy Tough Squad, the Crypto Huddle. Thank you for joining me. For those who are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your subscription is important. Thanks everyone for joining me. I really appreciate it. So on today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to transfer your BNB to Avalanche or Avax. Okay. So in this process, you will be using two different DEXs or different two different DEXs or decentralized exchanges to do this. Okay. One of them is called Anyswap, then the other one is called Pangolin exchange. Okay. So Anyswap, with Anyswap, as you see here, sorry, I'm going to show you this drawing that I made here later on. But with Anyswap, what you're trying to do is basically use the bridge function. Okay. So let me go back to my explanation here to kind of break it down in a 2-year-old level. Okay. So don't laugh. It's a 2-year-old thing. So let's do this. Okay. So what we want to do is to transfer BNB, and our end result is going to be to Avax. Okay. So as you guys know, BNB is in the Binance Smart Chain. Okay. Avax or Avalanche or Avax is in the Avalanche blockchain. So that's a blockchain, that's a blockchain. Two different things, running, doing different things, right? So in order for you to send, in order for you to change this BNB to Avax, you're going to have to do what's called bridging, because you are dealing with two different systems. You cannot just do it. There's got to be something in between to bridge it. Okay. And that's what Anyswap does. So Anyswap will take your BNB right here, and then it's gonna convert it to another BNB, but this will be the Avax version of BNB. It's not gonna be the BNB that's coming from Binance. So it will take this and then convert it to the Avax BNB. It's a different kind of BNB, which is gonna be right here. So once you get it, actually, and this will send it to it will convert it and then send it to Avalanche. So at Avalanche, your original BNB now is now converted to another BNB called Avax BNB, or it's just a BNB. You see BNB in there. So once you get it here, your token is already here, so you're really good. So at this point, what you want to do is you use Pangolin swap to convert this BNB to Avax, and that's it. You're done. Okay. So it looks pretty simple, but this is the process. I hope I'm clear. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Anyswap. You're gonna start with Anyswap, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like, and then I'm gonna do it myself because I have some BNB I need to transfer over. Okay, so this thing right here. Okay, all right. So we're gonna go to Anyswap. Okay, so here we are at Anyswap, and this is how I set it up. This is the BNB. This is the Binance Smart Chain. In the drawing, there's the Binance Smart Chain, and also this is the Avalanche mainnet. Okay, so I'm gonna take my BNB like I show you in the drawing, and then I'm gonna convert it to another BNB, but this one it will be in the Avalanche BNB. It's gonna be an Avalanche BNB. It's gonna be two. I'm gonna take two of my BNB and convert it. Okay. But you got to understand one thing too. So reminder, they are reminding you certain things. Okay, so there's a fee. The cross-chain fee is 0, so it's 0 BNB 0. They're charging you 0. Minimum cross-chain amount is this, so you got to make sure that you have 0.014. If not, it's not gonna work. Minimum cross-chain amount is maximum is 14,000. Okay. And also there's a limit. There's an estimate limit of 30 minutes, 10 to 30 minutes. Okay. So, and they're telling you cross-chain amount larger than this could take up to 12 minutes. If the amount is really large, then it could take up to 12 hours. Okay. So right now I have everything set up. Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, BNB to BNB. I'm just gonna click swap and then confirm. and then I'm gonna hit confirm again. Okay. All right, so this they're saying it takes up to 10 minutes or so, so I'll just wait for it. And it says pending. Maybe it'll be fast this time. Let's see. So as we wait, I'm just gonna so right now we're waiting. Okay, so it's now it's saying please wait minutes to check the cross-chain status transaction explorer. Okay, so we're gonna wait. Yes, so after waiting for like about 5 minutes or so, my BNB has arrived, okay, in the Avalanche blockchain. Okay, that's 2 BNB, which is $756. So I'm gonna change it to Avax. Okay, as you can see, this is the BNB in the Avax blockchain, which is different from the BNB from in Binance. Okay, but it has arrived. Okay, so I'm gonna hit swap, and I'm gonna confirm here. And that's it. Guess what, guys? I'm gonna be having more Avax here. So now I have more Avax. Now I have swap BNB for 9.95 Avax. Swap 2 BNB for 9.95 Avax. Okay, and this is going. Hopefully, I'll check my wallet just to confirm it. And then after, okay, here you go. If you check my wallet, I have 12.39 Avax. So my Avax has arrived. My BNB is back to my BNB was deducted, and now I have my Avax. So this concludes my transaction. Hopefully it makes sense. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go to my Telegram, or you can just hit me, send me a comment, and then I'll be able to respond. Okay. Also, you can check my Patreon if you wanna, if you have technical difficulties on certain things. You can hit me up on my Patreon, and you can join my Patreon, and I may be able to help. On my own time. I'm very busy, but I can find time for my Patreons to help you guys. Especially during the weekends. So this is all I have. If this was useful, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. In my channel, I always like to demonstrate. This is the fun part of my YouTube channel, being able to demonstrate how to do things. So it's really cool that I'm doing that. So this is all I have for you guys, and have a good night. Peace out.